Hey guys, Dr. Allie here from the Good Timer team, and I want to talk about how to help your kids stay clean and organized. I couldn't get the word organized out without laughing, but my kids are not like innately amazing at this. I don't know that any kid is. It's challenging, right? It also has a lot to do with our values. If we value a really clean and organized house and our kids are being kids, it can be really upsetting to us when their room's a mess or they don't put their toys away, etc. So the challenge is totally legit, all right? If you're someone who functions in chaos, go forth, skip this video. If it's important to you to have an organized and clean environment and you want it to be important to your kid, consider how to help them, okay? So first of all, research does show that people with tidy living spaces experience less stress than those with messy living spaces, just for the record, okay? You wanna set clear expectations. Pick up your toys after playing. Make your bed in the morning, right? Really specific instructions, visual representations of what you expect them to be doing. Of course, these wants from you should be age appropriate, right? You shouldn't have like a 3-year-old taking out the garbage, unless it's a very strong 3-year-old. You wanna lead by example. Okay, not just by being neat, but by talking about why you put in energy to set yourself up for success. Right? Oh yeah, no, I'm tired. I had a hard day at work, but I know that if I take 5 minutes right now to tidy up my room, I'll have a calm space, and then I'll have a calm mood, and I'll have a calm mind, and we'll have a calm night together. And I want that before bed, right? Really modeling the why. Okay. If and when possible, make chores fun. Time the tasks, or be like, okay, let's race. Who can, pick up the Legos faster? I'm thinking about my kids breaking out into a fight. That's where my brain just went when I ask them to compete in anything. But anywho, you also can play music during cleanup time, etc. Make sure every item you're asking them to clean has a space to go, has a home, right? There should be pre-identified and ideally labeled, like bins, baskets, shelves, corners, whatever, so that every item lives somewhere. And let them be a part of that. I wonder where the new dollhouse furniture should live. Well, I guess that would live in the dollhouse. I wonder where the new dollhouse should live, right? We could keep it in there. What do you think? Where should we keep it? And they'll be more likely to put it back there because they were part of the plan, right? Set routine times for cleanup and be clear about them. Okay, it's Sunday morning. You know what that means, right? Allow for some natural consequences. Oh, you can't find the pink marker? Maybe next time you'll put them away so you'll know exactly where to find it, right? And use positive reinforcement. Yes, cleaning an area is reinforcing in itself. And if you have a good timer, use that thing. Use the reinforcing features of it to encourage your kids to continue the behaviors you want them to continue, right? Stickers also work, small prizes, verbal praise, etc. And remember to always emphasize progress over perfection. Good luck.